BalkanDad, can you make Burek? Oh, of course, bre. Now, for the non-Balkan people, Burek is a pie made of a homemade filo pastry. This is stretched out with this special parachute technique. Now, in between the layers, we have a filling, okay? The first layer, you always fold it like this, that is the base. Then the next layer, you put the base, and then you put the filling. The best Burek is Burek sa mesom, with a meat which also has onion. This is pre-cooked, okay, in this case, and then another layer, and then it is ready for cooking in the oven. Burek can have many fillings. The popular ones are with the meat, with the cheese, and I am in Slovenia where they have this famous Burek called pizza Burek. Yes, my friends, never tried it? Oh, we are going to see what it tastes like very soon. Now, I just want to thank the people who helped me make this video. Burek Olympia in Ljubljana, Slovenia, the most famous Burek in Slovenia. You can even see their signs on the bus in Ljubljana. Oh, now it's time to bake the Burek, and I am going to wait patiently in the line. There is always a queue here. Now, there are different fillings, but BalkanDad is getting with the meat, with the cheese, and this famous pizza Burek. Always eat the Burek with the yogurt. Njam. Oh. Svaka vam čast, this Burek sa mesom is delicious. With the cheese, njam. Delicious, nice and crunchy. And the pizza Burek, njam. Opa, zanimljivo bre.